Tata Motors has launched the new Punch Camo Edition, with prices starting from Rs 6.85 lakh, and going up to 8.63 lakh. The Camo Edition is the second special edition of the Tata Punch, after the Kaziranga Edition, and was first introduced on the Tata Harrier, in November 2020. The Punch Camo Edition gets exterior and interior cosmetic updates, along with changes to the features list, but remains mechanically unchanged to the standard model. Biggest change is the new, Foliage Green exterior paint shade. It also gets a dual-tone effect, with the roof finished in either piano black or pristine white. At the front, the chrome trim under the grille has been blacked out, and there's a new silver skid plate on the bumper. The alloy wheels also gets the all-black treatment. There's a camo badging on the front fenders. On the inside, the Punch Camo Edition gets a new, military green shade for the dashboard, and the seats are wrapped in a new camouflage seat upholstery. Some key features of this edition includes 7-inch Harman infotainment system with 6 speakers, 16-inch charcoal diamond-cut alloy wheels, reverse parking camera, LED DRLs and tail lamps, push start-stop button, cruise control and front fog lamps. The Punch Camo Edition continues with the 1.2-liter, 3-cylinder, naturally aspirated petrol engine that produces 86 horsepower and 113 Nm of torque, and is paired to either a 5-speed manual or an AMT gearbox. Thanks for watching.